Hello there, welcome to iDentixweb video tutorial. Here I'm gonna show you how you can install the best upsell for WooCommerce plugin into your WordPress website. So basically there are two ways to install that plugin because this plugin is available totally free on the WordPress.org website. So you can install this plugin from your WordPress admin without any uploading the files. So let's start from the WordPress admin site how you can install this plugin, and also I will show you how you can add this plugin to your WordPress website by uploading the files of this plugin. So let's start with the WordPress admin site. Here I am already on the plugin page. So first of all you have to log in into your WordPress website, then click on plugin. So after clicking on plugin you will be redirected to this plugin listing page. So here you can add a new plugin. So it will show you the list of plugins which are available on WordPress ORG's website. So let's search for our best upsell for WooCommerce. So here I'm going to add the tag for keyword is iDentixweb to find only our app. From there I will click on install. Now my best upsell for WooCommerce plugin is installing into my website. So after finishing this installation process, it will ask me to activate this plugin, or I can activate this plugin by going in my installed plugin page. I can do that, activate from here also, but yeah. So here I can activate the plugin which is best upsell for WooCommerce. Now let's delete this, and I will show you how you can upload that plugin in your WordPress website. So let's install this process. I'll download this file, and my best upsell for WooCommerce file is downloaded now. Now click on add new button. So you will come up the same page where I have installed this by searching keyword. Now I am going to upload the plugin. So click on upload plugin. Now you will be asked to choose a file, because if you don't add any file, the install now button will not be visible to allow you to do an action. So let's choose a file from downloaded history. So here I have the zip file of my best upsell for WooCommerce plugin. Let's select it. Yeah, so here you can see that install now button is now visible to do an action of installation. Let's do install now. Yeah, so after uploaded the plugin file, it will ask you to activate the plugin at the same page, or you can go to plugin installer page. So let's activate this plugin. Woohoo! I'm done with the installation process. Yeah, but I got an error that I have to install a WooCommerce plugin to activate this best upsell for WooCommerce plugin. So this is the restriction. You have to add WooCommerce plugin in your WordPress website to use our best upsell for WooCommerce plugin. Thank you so much.